Welcome back to Mpuken TV promoting Manamola programs, and today Kenale, one of our facilitators from the Safety Course, she's just going to tell us what motivated her to get into facilitating, and how does he find the students to be coming from her part. So I'm gonna give the stage to her right now. Thank you very much.
Okay. Good day, everyone. My name is Thobeka Faku, like he said. I'm the safety facilitator. From answering his question, the reason why I actually became a facilitator is because of the love that I have for the young generation, in order to bring about change in terms of education, in terms of having to expand their knowledge, having to give them that confidence that how important it is as a young individual to be able to stand up for yourself, as a young individual, how to be able to be a difference, to bring difference in a society. So